Bro, I'm hungry.
Then get some from the kitchen. There's some chicken in the frying pan, and you get a plate. That's all you need to do.
Okay.
Make sure you get one chicken at a time.
All right.
I don't want you to eat all the chicken in this house. I'm already hungry as it is. I'm tired.
All right. All right. I got it. Huh? Hey, Brad, the microwave doesn't work.
What?
Huh? How'd you do that?
Do what?
How'd you get over here?
What are you talking about? I've been over here the whole time.
Never mind. The microwave doesn't work.
What? What do you mean it's working? It just worked yesterday.
Well, it's busted now.
Don't worry, that's the easy way to fix this. I know how to fix this. There's my father showed us how to do this. He taught us how to do that. Ah! Okay, bro. This is how you fix the microwave. Okay, this is what Dad showed us, and he just how it will work. See if it works.
Nope.
Okay. Well, same time charm, right? Same time charm. Try now.
Nope.
Okay, third time's a charm. And this doesn't work, I might lose my rage. Alright. Try now.
Nope.